Imagine getting into a taxi, telling the driver just drive anywhere, and then getting upset when you end up somewhere random. That's the story of most people with their money, unfortunately. No clear destination. But today we are going to fix that so that your money takes you exactly where you want to go. Hello everyone, Namaste, this is Shami Herins and welcome back to Your Wealth India. Today we are going to further explore our Your Money section where we turn all the financial chaos into a clear path. In this episode we are going to discuss different types of financial goals to keep you on track, namely short term, mid term and long term. Let us start with short term goals. These are usually your 0 to 3 year goals. Imagine like saving for a vacation or clearing a small debt or probably building up that small emergency fund of around 50,000 or something. Now why do they matter? Because they give you quick wins and momentum. Neha wanted to buy a 30,000 rupees DSLR camera. She set up a separate savings account and auto transferred rupees 2,500 every month. In exactly 12 months, she bought it without touching her main savings. That's how short-term goals keep you motivated. Now let's talk about mid-term goals. These are your 3 to 7 year goals. Bigger dreams like buying a house, starting new business, or probably funding for your higher education abroad would fall under this category. Now these type of goals require discipline, planning, and maybe even new income streams. Arjun wanted to start a food truck in 4 years. He not only saved but also spent weekends testing recipes at local fairs. So when the money was ready, his business was ready too. Now let's talk about the final category, which is the long-term goals. These are your 7+ year goals like retirement planning, children's education, and financial independence. These require patience and smart investing. Take Raj for example. At 25, he started investing just rupees 5,000 a month into an index fund. He didn't think much of it, but here's the magic. By the time he was 45, that small habit grew into over 50 lakh rupees. Raj didn't win the lottery or get a huge inheritance. He simply stuck to a long-term goal. And here's the thing. Your long-term goals should shape your short-term actions. And to explore how, you'll have to watch our next video, which is on wealth stages. The key takeaway here is that all these 3 types of goals should be running simultaneously at the same time. They should be working together to keep you motivated in the present so that you are more secured in the future. So which type of goal are you currently more focused on? Let us know by putting them into the comment section. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, if you don't want to miss our next video on the wealth stages. So until then, see you, Tata and Namaste.